Hey, welcome back to Cracked Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're gonna make pizza. We're gonna make pulled pork pizza with some leftover pulled pork that I did in a previous video. So you're gonna need 180 milliliters of water between 95 and 105 degrees. To that, you're gonna add 13 grams of brown sugar and then 7 grams of yeast. Give it a good stir. Now let that sit for about 10 minutes. Then in a stand mixer bowl, you're gonna put 250 grams of double O flour, 10 grams of fine sea salt. Then we'll add 4 grams of garlic powder. Give that a good mix. Now we wait for the yeast to finish blooming. So after 10 minutes, our yeast has bloomed. We will pour it in. Turn the stand mixer on medium. See, I can touch it now, it doesn't stick. Just need a little bit more flour. So now we'll put some flour down. Spread it with your hands, that way you get some flour in your hands and you pull this dough out. So it's gonna be pretty sticky. Now we'll knead it by hand. See how nice and smooth this is? That's what you want. So now we will throw it in a greased container and let it rise till it's doubled in size. It takes about an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, the dough has risen. Now we'll roll it out on a work surface and form our pizza. It's a nice looking ball of dough. So you gotta form our circle here. Sometimes it's a pain to get this in a nice circle. So what I'm going to cook this on is a perforated aluminum pan. You can get these at Walmart, pretty inexpensive. I put avocado oil on it. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some cornmeal just to keep the dough from sticking to it. Now let's transfer this dough over. I just like to push down just to make sure that we have the crust formed. So we're making barbecue pizza, like I said. So no tomato sauce, it's gonna be some Cosmos barbecue sauce in a squeeze bottle. Now we'll take some of our pulled pork, sprinkle that down, and now we will put some shredded cheese on. Now we'll put some more of our pulled pork on there. Now a little bit more of our Cosmos competition barbecue sauce. Now we can throw it out on the Weber. So I have half the grill filled with charcoal. As you can see, it's well over 600 degrees. So we'll put this on this half of it and rotate it as needed. Just we gotta make sure we don't burn the bottom. We'll check on it in a couple minutes. All right, let's give it a half turn. Put the lid back on it. It's been another 30 seconds. Let's have a look at the crust here. Looks good. I'll give it a quarter turn. Put the lid back on there and check on it in another 30 seconds or so. It's been 30 more seconds. Now we'll do another quarter turn, but this time we're going to put it on the far side of the heat. So we don't want to start burning the bottom. Now we'll let the crust start to cook. Now we'll put the vent on the opposite side. All right, now we'll give it a half turn. The crust is starting to look pretty good. And we'll keep it away as far as from the coals as we can so we don't burn the bottom of the crust. Check on it again, and it looks pretty good. So this is why I like to use the cornmeal and oil, because when it's all done, it's not stuck. Doesn't ruin it. There you have it. We let it cool down. Listen to that. Ah, look at that. Not bad. So it doesn't look bad. A little lighter would have been better, but it's still not burned. That is really good. Such a good use of leftovers. This is just a different way to eat it. Gets the leftovers out of the fridge without having to throw them out. So there you have it. Made our own dough. Topped it off with some Cosmos barbecue sauce. We put some of our leftover pulled pork on there. Made a delicious lunch. You can do it. It's not too hard to do. You can cook it right out in a Weber. Can use your oven. Just gotta put it at the highest setting you can. I recommend using those aluminum perforated pans. They work really good. A little bit of avocado oil and some cornmeal. Keep it from sticking to that. I've done it without that and ruined a whole large pizza because got stuck to the pan. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, of course. Lunchtime. See ya.